Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our Singles for Christ Provincial Covenant Orientation Weekend Retreat 2025 mini vlog. Halina't samahan niyo ako sa isa na namang vlog, and I recorded some videos while we were having our activities to share this beautiful experience with you. Hi, it's good to be back. Alright. Bakit it's good to be back? Opo, member na ho ako ng community nung grade 8 ako, pero naging inactive po ako. So, maybe next time, next vlog, isi-share ko kung bakit ako napasok sa community na to, and kung bakit ako naging inactive, at kung bakit ako naging active ulit. So, for now, let's appreciate everything na makikita natin sa video na to. Yung nasa taas pa lang kami, makikita mo na yung kabuuan ng place, and it's very relaxing, and the ambience is very refreshing because of the trees, the flowers, and also the people na very welcoming, pati na rin yung mga tunog ng hayop, pati na rin yung tunog ng lagaslas ng tubig, right? Napakagaan sa pakiramdam. And I just realized something. Talagang na-realize ko na napaka-mahal tayo ng Panginoon, because look at these people around you, this nature that we have, talagang may bakas ng pagmamahal ng Panginoon, right? Tignan natin mabuti, obserbahan natin, talagang makikita natin na ginawa to ng may pagmamahal, and ang galing. Talagang amazing si Lord.
So guys, it's our second day here at River Park Subdivision, Kidapawan City. Right now, it's very cold, and as you can see, wala pa ako kahit ano sa mukha ko. Hindi talaga ako mag-aayos for today. Talaga magsusupply lang ako. And ito, naka-jacket. And naligo ako kagabi pa. Because, yun na nga, para madali ko. So, ganito ka-peaceful dito. Yung lagaslas ng tubig, yung me time, walang mag-isa dito. Nandoon naman sila sa taas lang. Tapos, meron din doon na brothers and sisters na natutulog. So, I think it's okay to be alone here at the pool deck. Hindi naman siya nakakatakot. It's very serene, peaceful. I'm just enjoying God's creation. Actually, I'm not using any glasses right now because of sa naman ako linis. Okay lang. Na-appreciate ko pa rin. Everything is close. So, I'm just happy na nakapag-vlog ako since yesterday using my Vivo. So, yun lang guys. And mamaya magsisim kami. And nauwi na. Bye-bye!
Sobrang amazing talaga ni Lord, and I'm so blessed na naranasan ko to sa buhay ko, yung amazingness and pagiging loving ng Panginoon. And isa ako sa witness kung paano siya maging provider, maging protector, maging loving father, maging friend sa mga tao na kumakausap sa Kanya. So, yes, I'm so glad na hindi lang ako yung nakakaranas ng ganito, and I'm so happy to meet these people. So, next time ulit sa uulitin. Bye!